a sales funnel builder that will get you results. That's no joke. We take our business seriously, so we want serious results, right? If you're wondering exactly what is a sales funnel, Shelly, it's basically something that helps people buy your stuff and to buy even more of your stuff, all automated. Okay, the best example is McDonald's. You're going through the driveway and you order a Big Mac, and they're like, oh, hey, would you like fries with that? Sure, add me some of those yummy, greasy fries. Oh, would you also like to enlarge that? And then when you enlarge it, then you can also get a drink. Sure, why not? Give me the package deal. Bingo, that's a funnel. You had the burger, sold. Had the fries, sold. Added the drink and enlarged it, boom. Basically, that's a funnel. And when someone usually buys the Big Mac in a funnel, then besides it actually at McDonald's, if you're online, they enter the credit card for the Big Mac. So it makes it actually easier to get the fries and to keep going on. Pretty much, that's a sales funnel. Sales funnels are actually highly important to someone's business, whether you are a construction business or you're a single business like what I have, because it enables it where you have a landing page to collect email addresses, and then you have your products, and then like I use the fries, then you can add on top of it, or you can take it away. You can do so much with funnels that people just don't understand. It literally can make and break your business. And you hear a lot of people talking about competitors that has funnel builders and this kind of software and everything. And people usually talk about how they need to do this. This is their business. Well, no, it's actually the software that will run your business that can save your business. And something else that nobody talks about is speed. Speed matters, guys. I did a video about this. I'll go ahead and I will list it up in here and you can watch it after this video. But it really does. So if you really want to succeed, especially organically and not have to pay for ads, you need your stuff to load fast. You need landing pages to load fast. A landing page is the first thing that you see. If you're going to buy some shoes and you see it online and you land on that page online, that's actually called the landing page. But if you click on it and it loads real slow, then you're not going to care. You're just going to keep on going. Our attention span is, oh my gosh, it's crazy. We don't have one. I would say it's maybe 2 seconds these days. So you have so much time. And if you have tons of people that's going to your link for your product and it loads slow, then you're losing tons of business. And with the majority of all the software out there that has been tested, they lose out because they are so slow. DropFunnels has been tested time and time again to all of the competitors. I'm happy to say that DropFunnels is actually the #1 fastest loading in, well, the world. Mind-blowing, right? Choo! Now you know how important funnels are, what they mean. Now let me show you some insight. Hey, before I do me a huge favor and subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel already. Ring that notification bell so you can learn even more stuff that has to do with funnels and making money online. Welcome to the home of DropFunnels. All right, this is their funnels. This is a dashboard, and this is the everything. But today, since we're just talking about funnels, I'm in funnels. And it's really easy. What it looks like too is you shows, like this one has one, I call it stages. This one has 2. Most funnels at least have 2. So you have your landing page and then you have your sales page. How easy is it to create your own? Let me show you. Let's go to add funnel. You can choose from full funnel, impact. Let's see. Oh, that one looks kind of cool. Let's choose that one. They have tons of different templates for all kinds of different things. Drop it in. Then it automatically takes you into the editor. And I like to edit in this area. And you can change the background. Anytime you want to change anything, you just click on the little wrench. You can have full width, fixed, full. You can change your text color, your heading color. If you want to change the background, you can add in a different picture. You have a media library. Use a URL as well. You can add a media library where you add in all of your pictures and stuff and change them out. Like you could easily change this out. There's a particle background. I think this is cool. I have it on my website. Okay, style. Let's do snow. Red. Number of particles. And then save. Kind of cool, right? Da, 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 da. It's the little things that makes life really cool, doesn't it? And if you want to change this, you know what? Let's just delete it. Okay. You can redo this. You can change the fonts. If you want to, see, let's row. Let's say you wanted to, let's add a row there. Okay, perfect. Then header, color, red. Shelly's crazy. This is freaking cool. There's all kinds of things that you can do. Oh, by the way, save. After you do any changes, you always make save. And if you're done, you have to click done at the top right, then finish at the top right, or it won't show up live. And then you can take any of these. What I've done before is because sometimes it's easier to have them there and then you want to change them and just add in your links or your own buttons and your own pictures and just change everything around. So usually I say just start from scratch, but when you do have something, or you can also import, like if someone else has a funnel from ClickFunnels, it's like one click and it'll bring it into DropFunnels. So you can do that as well. And sometimes it's easier just to use someone else's, or like I've sent you can share DropFunnels links too, and just change it. And you can also copy. I love that, the copy function. I'm going to show you that too. This, again, if you want to just delete something, the X. If you wanted to, okay, edit column settings. Just want to show you in here. You can change the color, the link, the type, the particle background, shadow. I don't do much with that. Advanced. And I'll change my margins and stuff around a lot sometimes because I want it to be, you know, closer or farther away from something else. Here. You also can have it where you have your own built-in header and footer, and then any funnel that you have, it can stay the same and you don't have to keep adding. I hated doing that when I was actually with ClickFunnels. I had to keep adding all of my my headers and footers, and it was a pain in the butt. So everything stays. Everything is drag and drop. So I just wanted to show you how easy the funnel builder is itself. Let's add, okay, we don't want her. We don't want her. No. Let's select a photo. So not. Who's this guy? Hopefully he don't care if I use his picture. Oh, Oh, I added a whole new different, I was going to replace her. I added a whole new different picture. Let's try this again. At least that shows you if you just want to add a picture. See, I'm doing this live, guys. Remove photo. Dave won't mind. Save. And then I changed it. We can delete this dude. Don't know who he is or how he got in there. And so, we can change anything out, make it more personable. On DropFunnels actually comes with your own official website, and it has, several themes that you can choose from, and it has its built-in theme. So you don't have to worry about, all of the plug-ins and, all of the crap that comes with it. It's the same thing with the funnels. And it has built-in SEO, so people can actually find your stuff. So whether you have a blog or you have a funnel, the built-in SEO helps so much. I love it. I actually talk more about the built-in SEO because it's probably one of my favorite things about DropFunnels, besides the fact that it's easy with drag and drop and it's fast. So if you have funnels and you want them to load, let's just do done and publish and then fix that. And this, of course, would be what it would look like, after you did your changes and everything. So back here, we click here, and you can go back into it if you want to edit it here. So you have your very first page, which would be in your funnel. If you wanted to add a second step, you just do add new step. Oh, I like that. Start from scratch. That might be new. Or you can use one of these. Again, a lot of times people think it's easier just to start with something. If I'm building a landing page where I just want to collect people's name and email addresses, I usually just copy one of my own. That's very simple. Funnel, let's do sales page. Drop it in. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it in, okay? Not really, though, okay. DropFunnels, we're dropping it. Okay, so then we take that page and go in and edit it. And there's all kinds of stuff that they have depending on what you do that actually can help you out. And you would just change, for example, we have this button, you have a link, then this would have to say link, and then this right here would be your link or your affiliate link, or this would be the sales page. So for example, I'm an affiliate marketer, so I'm gonna use that as an example. You would take your affiliate link that's gonna go to that product, and it would go here, and then click on save. Now I wanna take you to a landing page, and I'm gonna use this one. I'm talking about DropFunnels. This is my DropFunnels funnel. As you can tell, it needs to be updated. But when you first have your funnel that has the first page where it has the landing page, has your name and email address, then what all you do is it has next funnel step here. And then at the beginning of the general tab, I have Active Campaign. I use Active Campaign. I love Active Campaign. It is the best. And I have DropFunnels, which, believe it or not, I call my whole Active Campaign, is all called DropFunnels. Don't ask. I really like DropFunnels. And then my list is called Switch. So my DropFunnels list is called Switch. And I have a tag that's in Active Campaign that you have to put in here and do start. I wanted to show you this because I have a lot of people that I help that has questions, and oh my gosh, the majority of them is this right here. So I wanted to show you that so that when you have right here in your funnel, in your landing page in the beginning, that is what you do. Of course, if you have questions, put them down in the comments though and let me know. And oh my gosh, I'd love to help you. I wanted to show you what I meant by the copy function because I use this all the time. This says Switch 3. That's because I have 2 other versions of Switch, which is DropFunnels. So this button right here will clone it And what I do, so switch 3, I leave it that way. Switch 4. Y'all's going to see all my stuff out on the internet and stuff. And it's going to say 1, 2, 3, 4. They're like, I know what Shelly's doing. I know why it says that. And then and then create your funnel. Just call it what you want. Create the funnel. And then you'll have, it'll duplicate your funnel. And that's what, honestly, that's what I do. And I just change it as I duplicate it. This sales funnel builder will get you results. You have speed. You have built-in SEO. It's freaking easy. It's literally the best out there. And I can say that because I have tried almost all of them. I have tried tons upon tons. You need to ask me about one? Leave me a message in the comments and I'll tell you the truth, even if some people don't like it or not. We got to be honest with each other, right? And I wanted to let you know, I do have bonuses because I love this software, and I'm not listing them all out, but it has stuff to do with free ads, training, and affiliate marketing from beginner to advanced, because the advanced don't want to be for the beginners, are going to be lost. So you actually get both of them. There's a bunch of other sheets and stuff to help you get on Google first and affiliate and all kinds of stuff. But I have partnered with a friend, and he is going to let you have, because blogs are amazing. They're amazing. I'll put my video up here, or I'll put it at the end of the video about blogging, because I have a new video on DropFunnels about blogging. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I love blogging and DropFunnels. But he's going to help you out, and he can do 1,000-word blog. Write it for you, because, I mean, the writing part, you have to, think of something, and he's going to do that for you for $30. Yeah. And I know if you're watching this in the month of November, I'm pretty sure he's going to do it through November for me. So if you sign up for DropFunnels, my link will be down in the description. And also this month is a 30-day trial just for this month. And then it goes to 14 days, which is still good. 14 days is long enough to let you know how awesome that it is. And if you're watching this video and it is not the month of November, that's okay. Surely I've ran across something else that will help you. But for now, a friend of mine can only write so many blogs. So this is huge because I pay hundreds of dollars for blogs, and that's like 500 words. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it helps me and the algorithm to smash the like button, subscribe, and if you really like learning this kind of stuff, you really need to hit that notification bell. That way you get notified of all of my videos. It's going to help you. All right, guys, go watch the video that's coming up next. You're going to love it. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. I say that a lot, don't I? All right. See you there.